Well, it's not every day you get to see meteors flying in the sky. Many people across the Mid-South caught a glimpse of one last night. And for those like me who missed the light show, there is still a place where you can see parts of the galaxy. Our Keely Shields talked with the director of the Rainwater Observatory and Planetarium about how you can still catch a glimpse to infinity and beyond. Keely, you saw the meteor, right?
I did, Winston. I was one of the few lucky people who were in the right place at the right time. When I saw the meteor, I honestly didn't know if what I saw was real, but I knew I had to find out more. Director Edwin Vaughn got his first telescope when he was a child. Since then, his head has been in the clouds and his heart has been set on finding new discoveries.
I love to, when we're sharing, doing the telescope events and things, to see people's expression and their excitement the first time they see the rings of Saturn. Almost everyone that looks through it will say, "You've got a slide or something like that in there." And I said, "No, take a look. It's where it's aimed."
The Rainwater Observatory is a satellite facility that sits on about a 900-acre complex. Home to more than 30 telescopes, people are able to see that the sky is not the limit.
You see the entire ring system. It's beautiful, and it's tiny. It's not real big. It's not like a Hubble image or something like that. Jupiter, you can actually see 4 of its moons and the little swirls and festoons and things on it. The moon is absolutely spectacular.
The observatory hosts a public event every second Friday of the month for people who want to take a trip to the moon. People can even sit in on their planetarium show and learn about the different parts of the galaxy.
We'll look at planets, Jupiter, Saturn, or Jupiter is visible right now, Mars is visible in the evening sky, and Venus is. And we also can look at things like the Orion Nebula.
Vaughn says the best part of space is that we are just a tiny part of it.
Space is incredible. We are a tiny part of something far greater than anything any one of us can even begin to comprehend. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, it has over 200 billion stars in it. Our sun is one of those 200 billion. There are hundreds of billions of galaxies with anywhere between 1 and 400 billion stars in each one of those.
The observatory is having a public event this Friday night at 7. In April, they will be hosting the National Astronomy Conference.